Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to quickly set an exam or a test. One of the challenges teachers experience is the hassle of setting exams and tests. One of the techniques I use is to make a list of questions in what is referred to as a question bank. A question bank is simply a list of questions arranged in a given order. How do I build a question bank? As I go about teaching a concept, I design questions from the concept which I'm teaching. I type the question in my question bank. Then I label the questions as either easy, average, or difficult. By doing that, it will help me to quickly decide on the questions to pick when it is time to set an exam. Then I go ahead and make the mark scheme for that question. When it comes to setting a test or an exam, it is just a matter of picking the relevant questions and organizing them in a new document, which is then referred to as a test or an exam. As you can see, this allows me to set an exam within a very short time. Let's now look at my question bank. Organization is very important when you're using a computer to prepare any document. I always use my computer to organize my work so that I have what I need when I need it. We'll start by looking at my physics question bank. So this is my physics question bank. First of all, I have prepared this document using Microsoft Word. On the left-hand side of the document, there is a neat navigation. I access this navigation by going to View, and then on the group of tabs named Show, I check this box here, Navigation Pane. When I check the box, this navigation appears. So you can see that when I opened the document, the navigation was already there because this box is already checked. This navigation is very important because it helps me to scroll through a document that has got very many pages. For instance, this document has got 82 pages. It would be a very tedious process if I have to find what I need by scrolling through. Now, how is my question bank organized? When you look at this question bank, it's got physics questions as well as the answers. Let's look at the question aspect of it. There is this small arrow here. If I click it, it will expand to reveal Form 1 questions, Form 2, Form 3, all the way up to Form 4 questions. Now let's go to Form 1 questions and see what we have. In the Form 1 questions, I will just click this arrow and it will expand to reveal all the topics that I have in Form 1, all the way from Introduction to Physics. Let us expand this so that we can read the whole topic. Starting from Introduction to Physics, Measurement, Force, all the way to the 10th topic, which is Cells and Simple Circuits. Let's collapse that and see what we have in Form 2. In Form 2 again, there are 10 topics, starting with the 11th topic all the way to the 20th topic. The same is repeated in Form 3, again 10 topics, all the way to the 30th topic. Collapse that, and Form 4 also, there are 10 more topics. Let's say I'm tackling a topic such as measurement. If I click this arrow here, it will expand to reveal easy questions in measurement 1, or average questions in measurement 1, or challenging questions in the same topic. For example, all I need to do is just click this tab here and I will have a space where I can type the question. Let's say maybe I am teaching this particular topic and I want to set an easy question. I'll just put my cursor there and type the question. If I feel the question is a little bit more challenging, I will put my cursor here and type the question there. Or if it is very difficult, I'll put my question there and type the question in this space. as soon as I type the question, I can go ahead and prepare the mark scheme. That is the answer to that particular question. Now, where do I type the answers to that question? Let's just click this topic. Over here, if I put my cursor there, you can see there is a link here. It prompts me to open that link in order to view the answers to those particular questions. So to open the link, I need to hold down Control and then I click on that link. And let's do exactly that. So I'm going to hold down Control and then I click that. Then it takes me all the way to the answer where I can type the answer for that particular question. So if it was an easy question, I would type its answer here. If it was average, the answer will be typed there, and if it was challenging, the answer will be typed here. If I need to go back to where the question is, I simply need again to follow the same link back, and I go back to the question. You can see this is a very important feature because this particular question on measurement 1 is found on a particular page. This question is found on the second page, but the answer is found on page 43. You can see that I can move back to page 2 or to 43 very quickly just by following that particular link. Now let's look at some of the questions that I have already prepared in measurement 1. Now this is my KCSE physics question bank. So if I go to form 1 and in the topic measurement 1 and I click that tab there, it will take me to KCSE questions in measurement 1. For instance, in the year 2008, paper 1, question 1, there was this question here. A drug manufacturer gives the mass of the active ingredient in a tablet as 5 milligrams. The student is supposed to express this quantity in kilograms and in standard form. So the moment I see this question in a past paper, I will take my time, find the topic where it was obtained from, type the question in the relevant topic, and then immediately prepare the mark scheme for that. For example, if I want to see the mark scheme for this question 1, I'll just come here, follow that link, and here is the answer to that particular question. Or even question 2, and go back to the question. The question 2 is here. I can follow that link, and the answer to question 2 is found here. So this really is a very easy way of preparing questions and their mark schemes, so that when you want to set a test, you simply need to identify the question. You copy the question. First of all, you select, you copy that, and then you can go to a new document and paste this information in that new document, and that new document will be a test. Now let's do exactly that. So I'll come to File here, New Document. It's a blank document, and here I am. Maybe let's say it's a test. So I'm just interested in just the question. So I'll paste that question over there, and you can see the question has appeared there. So it becomes really a very easy way to set an exam because the questions are there, the answers are ready. When you want to set an exam, it really becomes a very easy process. So after you have watched this video, you can download this blank template. For example, this is a blank template. Let's see, if you download it, all you need to do is just change certain information. Let's say maybe you are teaching history. All you'll have to do is make sure that the navigation is checked, and then you click on physics here, Then you can come and replace this information here with your subject. So you'll just have to select that subject there and you will say history. And it becomes a history question bank. If you expand it, you'll find Form 1 history questions. You expand that, and then topic 1, you simply need to put your cursor there and enter the first topic in history. Now maybe the number of topics that you have in history are fewer than 10, because you can see here in Form 1 I have exactly 10 topics. If they are fewer, or put your cursor here, select it and right click, then press delete, and it has deleted that topic. Again, you can select that, right click and delete it. That is if your subject has fewer than 10 topics in Form 1. That is what you can do. Now you'll find that the topics run, like for instance I had in Form 1 the topics were from topic 1 all the way to 10, and then in Form 2 they were starting from 11. Now let's say in your subject there are 8 topics in Form 1. You will have to change this so that it becomes the 9th topic. Now how do you do that? You just need to come to this tab here, click it in order to display the 11th topic. Now you want to change it from 11 to 9 because this is topic number 8. You want to change this one to 9. So you'll just put your cursor there, backspace, backspace, 9, and you're done. And then you go to this one, make it 10, 11, 12, and all that. And you can be able to use this template, although it is meant for physics, you can use it in your subject. So go right ahead and download it and start making your own question bank in your subject.